So I was coming down here, 20 miles an hour, went over the speed hump, and then the front wheel sort of collapsed, hit the road there, blew the tyre out, and then just dragged me off down here towards the curb. And luckily it was only low speed. There's where I hit the curb.
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
And there was some old boy, some old chap walking down this way, and the van was still driving forward because it's an automatic. So that's I was slamming the brakes on, and had to pump it into park. And this is the result. Not good. So when I get my van completed, so I got the bull bar on there, side bars, the pop top, absolutely complete and perfect. That happens. And what I think it was, I don't know, I think it may have been a failure, a mechanical failure, because I found this in the road. That's a bit of my inside alloy, and this. So I'm thinking that I went over the speed hump, and somehow that's sort of just broken. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's not good. So I'm now waiting to be recovered, and yeah, I'm not happy. Like I say, I just got the van looking beautiful, and then that happens. The wheel gets ripped off. So I think it's not that bad. I mean, it looks absolutely terrible. It's going to need a new wheel. But I think as far as like crashes go, it's not that bad. So now just waiting for the recovery truck. Should be here soon. Yeah, I don't know if it was the tyre even. Tyre might have blown. Because it's quite fucking chewed up.
I think your tyre would have blown and just done all that damage.
I know.
I reckon your track rod head snapped, gone over there, bit of bump on that. That's dropped it.
Yeah.
And obviously that means you would have lost steering on that.
Yeah. It just
and
fucking dragged straight over.
And popped it, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. What a mess. It's gonna there goes the mud flap. I don't like the look at that.
Good, mate?
No, I'm just saying, I don't like seeing my vehicle like this.
Yeah. Yeah, it ain't nice.
And that's where we leave it. That's where our little journey ends for now. Yes, I've just come to the place that's got my van. There's the van, and I'm just getting a bit of kit out of it because there's a lot of kit in there that I want to take out because people have sticky fingers, you know. They can well, there's some very nice bits in there that could easily go missing. Yeah, and I don't trust anyone, so it's best not to put any temptation in front of anyone. But yeah, not happy that my van looks like that after getting it almost perfect. But like I say, it's going to come back even better than before, or you know, the worst happens, we get rid of it and get a new one. But I really don't want it because I love this van. Alright, so to summarize, the van, I got it perfect, you know. I got the roof put on it, got the bars put on it, front and sides, and I was really happy with it. I was going to put my buddy said, looks like a Knight Rider, you know, it looks like Knight Rider if it was a van, and that inspired me. So I was going to put a tracer light on the front. Woo, woo, woo. So a nice red light going backwards and forwards, just to have a bit of fun with it, because it kind of does look like a Knight Industries camper van. So it looks tough. Anyway, so yeah, just perfected it. Got it just the way I wanted it. Got the new roof, pop-top roof on it. Didn't even use it yet. And then all of a sudden, crunch. With holiday season, you know, Christmas and New Year, you can pretty much write 2 weeks off. So I'm not going to get the van back till well into January, which I'm completely pissed off about. But, you know, when it does come back, I think it's going to be better than ever. So yeah, I think it's just going to be even better than ever. It will be recorded, because it's all going through the insurance, so it's going to be recorded, which basically means I have to keep it. I'm going to keep it forever, because there won't be any point reselling it, because that will bring the fact that it's recorded as an insurance claim. It'll be category N or something like that, or S, maybe C. I don't know what the categories are, but I know it'll be a lower one. It won't be a write-off. And that's going to bring the value down. So it's just an excuse for me to just keep it, you know, not sell it. What's the point? You know, if I want to upgrade it in a couple of years, I'll just get a bigger, better van. But I don't think there'd be much point. I'll just keep that on the side with things like my Harley, you know, because I'm modifying the Harley. I've got all the parts for the Harley. I've had them about a couple of weeks now, but I just haven't had time to fit it all. So with the Harley, we're going to chop the tail off, cut the frame back, get bigger tires on it, and really do lots of real trick things to make it a real badass Harley Davidson 48 bobber. So lots of work to do to the Harley as well. Just got to wait for the good weather so I can get out there and start messing about with it, you know, the longer days and better weather. But that's gonna look fucking badass when I've done that. But yeah, as for that, just gotta wait now, fucking probably about 4 weeks for my van to come back. So just a bit gutted, but you know, these things happen, don't they? Like I say, it's gonna come back better than ever, apart from the fact it'll be recorded as an insurance damage job, whatever they do, a category, whatever they are. But yeah, there we go. So that's the update. And the shitty thing is, the day that it happened, which was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I was going to come back because I went for a little sunbed. Got to keep your vitamin D up in the winter months. Help your immune system fight off any shitty colds that are going around. It didn't work, did it? But yeah, I was going to come back and I was going to wash the van, give it a hose down like with a pressure washer, clean it all out, and then I was going to do a van tour, you know, just an update on all the new bits we done, because I had the whole day to do it. And then that happened just before, so it wasn't meant to be, was it? But like I say, can't wait to get the thing back, and then we're going to go off on a road trip as soon as I get back, maybe in February, for my birthday time. Yeah, go off to Europe, do a nice little road trip somewhere, just a small one, a week or something, but just to give the van a bit of a run and get it back out there in its natural habitat. But yeah, couldn't have come at a shittier time, because it's just 2 extra weeks of waiting for nothing other than Christmas and New Year, and that's about it. So yeah, stay tuned for the Harley Davidson updates, the van updates in a couple of weeks, and just keep watching the shorts. I keep putting up, you know. Always doing something. But yeah, not feeling the best right now, so I'm gonna cut this off and I'll speak to you guys in the next video. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year and all that if I don't speak to you before then. And yeah, stay strong.